Hi, I'm Sandy Belcher, the creator of Tutie, Cutie, Tutus. And today I wanted to show you how to make ruffles out of tulle. I'm going to use these for a strap on the dress I made. And I'm going to glue on these pearls for decoration. The first thing I'm going to do is, I got my 6-inch tulle here, and if you have 3-inch, that'd be good, because what I do is you fold this tulle in half, and then you'll cut the fold so you have 2 pieces. But I don't have the 3-inch, so I will use this. Fold it in half. And my straps are 8 inches long, so it's hard to determine how long I need it, but I'm going to just keep it on the tulle spool and just cut it when I measure out 8 inches long. I think I'm going to cut this to about 3 times 8, so 24. So you want to cut the fold bit the whole way. And just keep making sure it's even. Okay, I cut a lot, and I'm just gonna go all the way back to the beginning where I started. I want to go through and try to line them up, make sure it's not twisted. Okay, so I brought it to my sewing machine, and you'll want to make sure the 2 layers are even on top of each other, and you'll want to sew right down the middle, and your tension needs to be on the highest, which is, mine goes to 9, and then the stitch length needs to be the longest too, so it's 5. So I'm going to do a back stitch first. Okay, now you want to sew right down the middle, and I'm using black thread that matches. Okay, so you just want to keep adjusting the layers. And this is a really cool method because it just ruffles it for you. So I'm going to sew until I get 8 inches long. Just keeping it straight. Just keep it straight. I didn't do the best cutting, but maybe after it's ruffled you won't see it too bad. Okay, so I got my 8 inches long. I want to go ahead and cut it off. And finish sewing up. And then you want to do a back stitch so it doesn't come unruffled. Okay. So here's what the finished ruffle looks like. It's really neat. And you can use these for a lot of different crafts, and you can put them on the ends of a tutu skirt if you like a trim, you know, or a regular skirt. a lot of different things you could use it for. Here's the dress I have, and I want to put this ruffles on the strap. I don't really think it'll look that great with this particular dress, but I'm just using it for this video. As I think the focal point of this dress is the bow. It's going to kind of distract it, but I'm just doing it for this video. You could always cut these down to the width that you would want. Like this probably would have looked better if I made it a bit more narrow maybe. But what you'll do is you can stick it on here and stitch it onto the ribbon. Or if you don't want to do that, you can glue it down. But if you glue it down, you're going to have to put some kind of embellishment. Like I'm going to put the pearls in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and glue these pearls onto the ruffle. So I just glue a few. And then I'll put it in the middle. Press down good. Now I think I actually would like this better as a headband, since it's kind of wide. So I might put it on a headband. Be really cute. Glue down. Be careful with the glue. It's messy. Press down. And yes, that's looking cute. So I glued the pearls onto here. I definitely think I will like this on the headband better than the dress because it's a little bit too wide for the style I was going for. It would distract the sash too much. Okay, so I'm going to glue this on. Find out where the middle is. Okay, right there. I'm going to put glue in the middle here. And then make sure I got it in the middle. There we go. And okay, so I add more glue. There we go. And push down on it. Glue the other side down. That far. Okay. There we go. I think that looks pretty cute. I messed up on the gluing a little bit. But I was trying to hold the camera and glue at the same time. So here it is on one of my, it's an adult mannequin head. So it don't really fit that good. But I think it looks really pretty for a flower girl dress. Let's go with this dress. And I should have went further, which I will do. I'm not going to sell this one. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you like this video and find very useful ways to use these. They can be used for a lot of different things. I'm always trying to find different ways to use up my tools, so I really like this idea. Please comment, like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Bye.